Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be explaining about linear search using C language. Before starting with the source code, first let's understand what is linear search. What is linear search? Linear search is a very simple search algorithm. In this type of search, a sequential search is made over all items one by one. Every item is checked, and if match is found, that particular item is returned. Otherwise, the search continues till the end of the data collection. Let's see an example how it works. A is the input array with integer data type value 10, 50, 30 and so on. Let's 20 be the search item, and output will store the index of search item if found. The operation will start searching item from first index value, which is 0, as array index starts from 0. 10 is not equal to search item, so it will go to the next position and equate, and continue equating until the item is found. In this example, item is found at position 6, so output stores 6. Now let's get started with the source code.
So guys, we are going to do our source code for linear search. So first we will write our header file, that is include stdio.h, then void main, then we will open the curly braces, then integer a, the array element is 10, so we are writing a of 10, I, n, location is equals to -1. Why I am taking -1, I'll let you know. Okay, s item, that is search item, clear screen, that is to clear the garbage value. Printf, enter the number of elements, we will enter how many elements we want. Scanf, %d, we are writing %d just because it's an integer value, and then ampersand of n. Printf, enter the number of elements. There are so many numbers, so we will use here for loop, okay, because there will be so many number, maybe 4, 5, 6, so we will use a for loop, that is I is equals to 0, I should be less than n, and I plus plus. Then scanf, %d, because all there is an integer value, so we are using, but then ampersand of a of I. Printf, enter the searching element, and then scanf, that is %d, ampersand of s item, again we use for loop, I is equals to 0, I should be less than I, and I plus plus. We will open the curly braces, we will use if condition, s item is equals to a of I. Again we will open the curly braces, location is equals to I, then break. We will close the curly braces, then if location is, why we are using location is equals to -1, if the searching element does not belongs to the array, it will be the same, so elements not found it will give. Else printf element %d found at %d location. First %d is a search item, and whereas second %d is location. Then get ch, to hold the screen we will write get ch. Now we will check the error, so we got no error. Now we will take the searching element 9, and all the elements are 10, 50, 30, 70, 80, 60, 20, 90, 40 and 20 we need to find, so it got us 6.